Hey guys, this is Sundar Sir here. How are you? Excellent. So now I am taking up another challenge. This is an origami challenge. So you know what? I think I'll have to go back to my childhood. So think about something in origami which probably I was used to doing it. I wanted to probably show you guys how to do it and challenge you guys so that you also spend an useful day during this lockdown, right? So here we go. So for that you need 4 sheets of paper. It can be different color papers, but the sheet should be a little stiff. That is the quality papers you got to have. So I have A4 bond sheets. So first all you have to do is step 1, ensure that you have a square out of this, because the bond sheet generally is you will find them to be kind of rectangle in shape, right? So please ensure you create a square out of it, cut it down. So all I'm doing is cutting it down. Right, so I'm done with one now. Okay, so once I have a square sheet of paper now, you see the square sheet of paper now, all of you? All right, now I've already created a triangle, a right triangle out of it. Now all I have to do is fold it the other way. Again, this side as well. Right, so now I have something like this, right? Both the sides I have folded. Now this is a very tricky and the interesting part. All you have to do is hold this tips properly and then just press it like this so that you get this kind of a shape. You clear? Great. So we are done with the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. Now I have something like this, correct? So here all I'm doing is I have 1, 2 sides either ways, right? So now I'm taking this, which is the first part, folding it like this. See here, folding it towards the edges till the center. You have to remember to do it till the center. Right. So similarly, please do it on all the sides. One side is done. Now take this one. Do it faster, quickly. So 2 sides are done now. Now this side is free. Let us do this side as well, the last side. Quickly do it. Done. Similarly, this side. Sounds a bit complex, isn't it? So now 3 sides I have done like this. Alright. Now this side is still free without any fold. So unfold this side and then complete the other side fold, which has not been done. So now if you look at it, I have a shape like this. Right, I have a shape like this. You guys are able to see a shape like this. On this side, it looks like this. So all I have to do is, you have something like this, take it, just fold it the other side. Now all you have to do is just fold it. So I have folded something like this now. So the end product, you will get something like this. You're getting it? Something like this, which looks like this. Done? So all you have to do is create four structures like this. So one is done. Let me do the remaining two. So number 2, I have a square again. Fold it the other side quickly. Once you're done, fold it like this. You will have a structure like this again. Fold the edges. 1, we're done. 2, we're done. So fold it this side. 1, we're done. 2, we're done again. Okay, excellent. Now the third side, we are done. Similarly, we are done. So now there is one side remaining. As usual, you have to unfold one side and shift the other side. We are done, and we are done again. Okay, so now we are done. We have a structure like this. All you have to do is just fold it the other side, the flip side, right? Alright, so now that we have flipped, let's do it like this. So now we have two structures ready, is it not? So prepare another two like this. So now we have 4 structures like this. You see all the 4, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is take all the 4 and start sticking. All right, applying glue to all of them. How exactly it needs to be done? Let's see. 1, 2. Yeah. So 1 to 2, we are done. Now similarly here, apply the glue only at this place. Here. Yeah, we are done. And then let's apply all the 4 like this. So all the 4 have been tied up, right? So once that is done, okay, so allow them to dry for a while. Allow this to dry for a while. I hope you guys by now have a clue of how this works. Yeah, so during Christmas time, this is gonna come in really handy for you. Yeah, did you guys like this? Yeah, this is a star, a typical star which you guys can put it at the, if you do it with a larger size paper, this looks like a typical Christmas card. And do it with very colorful sheets, glossy sheets. It's going to be wonderful. Yeah, guys. So I hope you guys have liked what I just did. So I'm challenging you guys to take this up. All right. So probably say Gopal sir, Harsh sir, I am challenging you both. Please try it out. And my dear students, it's for you as well. Do it. All right. Hope you liked it, guys. Until I meet you guys in the next video, this is myself, Sundar Rabindranathan, signing off, guys. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Listen to your parents. Bye.